Amorous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, alive and looking teapot.
Look alive.
Let's all stay together.
Look alive, Dad.
There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved ones by the hand, please, and kindly watch them. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. The spirits are frightfully sensitive to brightness.
Materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside and watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads and opossums. happy music from regions beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling vibrations. Swing them, wake them. I'll be expecting me. I'll see you all later. I'll be expecting me. I'll see you all later.
Shrouded in that disguise.
Selected you to fill our place, and will haunt you until you return. Now I can raise the safety valve, and cause you to follow.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first. Step out and stand on the waiting platform.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us. Make final arrangements now. We will dine